Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your speaker Baseus VO20. So firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on, and after that it can connect automatically, or you can click on it at the device list. Here we go. If it didn't help you, we should perform a soft reset. So press and hold a multifunctional button to turn off your speaker. Here we go. And after that, press and hold again to turn on it. And we have connected again. Yes. Yeah, we have it. If it also didn't help you, we should remove and add this speaker. So, press and hold. Press one time at this information icon near to your speaker at the device list. Then forget this device. Forget device. Also, if you have Android, click Pair New Device after that. And now we should see it at the device list, because it entered to prank mode automatically after we unpair it. So click on it. And again we have connected. Cool. But if all of these methods didn't help you, we should perform a hard reset. To perform a hard reset, you should press 5 times on this multifunctional button. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the LED light should changing. Okay, I didn't make it, so let's make it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we go, and the LED light is changing and start to blinking. So we should unpair firstly. Click the information icon or settings icon. Forget this device, forget device. Also don't forget to click Pair New Device on your Android. And after that, click on it at the device list. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!